Hello, my name is Chris Davis. I'm the Applications Manager for Purity and Specialty at Servomix. And today we're going to unbox the AquaXact 1688 aluminium oxide moisture sensor. This measures dew point and parts per million moisture in a range of background gases. All our packaging is drop tested, so you can be sure that your package will arrive safely. Let's unbox. In your box, you'll find the cable. Can be configured in a variety of lengths depending on your application. Your envelope with any certification of compliance or declaration of conformity, and also a USB stick with your operator manual, and obviously, most importantly, your AquaXact sensor. The AquaXact 1688 sensor has a rugged stainless steel body, measures approximately 188 millimeters in length, and has a diameter of 44 millimeters. It weighs 227 grams, which is about 0.7 of a pound, and comes from the factory in a glass storage vessel with a moisture desiccant to maintain a dry environment around the sensor before fitting into process. The AquaXact 1688, when shipped to you, will come with a USB stick which contains the calibration file, which can be uploaded onto your Servomix device to upload the file onto the sensor. The AquaXact 1688 sensor can be connected either as a standalone 4 to 20 mA loop device or through the 7-pin connector to one of Servomix's analyzers, such as the ME-DF310E or the ME4100, or to the standalone AquaXact Controller device. One of the key features of the AquaXact 1688 is the ability to field replace the sensor tip, resulting in minimal downtime. The operation is very simple. The sensor needs to be removed from the process. The tip can then be simply unscrewed, replaced, and the calibration data stored on the attached USB stick can be added to the analyzer for uploading onto the sensor. Now I'm going to show you the AquaXact Controller. It's been specifically designed to work with the AquaXact 1688 moisture sensor. It's an optional controller which provides advanced control for those who don't require additional measurements. Let's open the box. Including in your box will be a document pack including any certification and manuals, the power lead, and of course your controller. The controller is 205 millimeters wide, 140 millimeters high, and 220 millimeters deep. It weighs 3.2 kilos, it's around 7 pounds, and it includes an intuitive touchscreen display. So the AquaXact controller can be mounted as a benchtop analyzer with a handle and rubber feet, or as a rack mount or panel mount. Let's have a look at the analyzer. On the front, see you have an access point here, openable with just a coin, and you can see you have a USB slot here for updating any calibration data when you replace the sensor tip. On the rear of the analyzer, you have numerous relays, digital inputs, digital outputs, Profibus connection, RS-232, Ethernet, RS-485, and all importantly, the AquaXact 1688 7-pin connector. Now we can connect the AquaXact controller to the AquaXact sensor. So we take our connector. Before installing onto your process gas, it is recommended to give at least 20 minutes purge time on your process. The easy-to-use and intuitive touchscreen display adds the ability to configure alarms, relays, digital communications to your moisture sensor capabilities. You can also demonstrate the speed of response of the sensor by opening to atmospheric conditions. The dew point reading is creeping up. One of the benefits of the AquaXact is the low maintenance. The AquaXact controller requires no maintenance at all, and the AquaXact sensor simply requires a sensor tip replacement on a yearly basis. This is easily done using our sensor tip replacement program. Thank you for joining me to unbox the AquaXact 1688 sensor and dedicated digital controller. To request a quote or download resources, visit servomex.com or contact your local business centre.